If your 1 litre TSI engine alternator is stopped working, then this is the guide on how it is easily replaced. The alternator is located at the front down here and can be easily changed within the hour. But before we start, we need to make the job safe. We need to disconnect the battery. So using a 10mm, remove the positive lead from the battery and ensure that it cannot contact the battery whilst the job is in process. The alternator might look difficult to access. We need to remove this pump on the side of the engine mounting. There are two 13mm bolts and a multi-plug, and then it just lifts away. Next, we need to remove the auxiliary belt. Release the tension like so, and then the belt will remove. Preload the tensioner and then insert a drill bit or something suitable to lock the tensioner off. Then you will be able to access the two spline bolts holding the tensioner on. You can remove this and then you will be able to access the bolts on the alternator. Before we remove the bolts out the alternator, the air ducting needs removing, followed by this front cowling that is fastened in with two torque screws. Like before, this has made things a little bit more accessible. The main lead can now be removed and the wiring harness can be unclipped and removed. You can see the clip here on the wiring harness. Now remove the two 13mm bolts holding the alternator. The alternator is going to be tight, so you may need to use a pry bar to loosen it, and then it will just pop out at the front like so. Now that it's removed, I would inspect the wiring and check for any damage. This multi-plug and wiring was damaged and needed to be replaced. Check that the new unit is correct and refit in reverse order. Just be wary that the collars where it bolts up, they slide, so the alternator will feel loose at first. Only when you tighten them up, you will hear them clicking and the bolt will have some resistance. Keep tightening until it is thoroughly tight. Refit the main lead and click in the multi-plug. Then, before you reassemble everything else, just have a good check, make sure everything is tight, and then replace the remaining items, namely the tensioner, and then the belt, and then the pump on the side of the engine mount. And that's it. I hope this guide really helped you and your repair went well. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and this has been How to Fix It. Please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, here's some additional videos for you to watch on the 1 litre TSI petrol engine